So this is the Oraimo smart tube. That's a smart lamp tube, but I just call it smart tube just like that. But this is the Oraimo product, and we are going to unbox and talk about it a little, and also show you my review about the device after using it. And also it will also depend on you as you look at it. Yes, so it's all your choice. Everything that you see is hot. The Oraimo smart lamp tube comes with. So let's unbox, let's start with it, and let's go. So in the box, what do we have right here? Let's bring it out. Oh, what did I do wrong? Okay, I think it comes with touch. All right. So it's touch sensitive. That is the first that we got to know about the device. Now this is the manual or the guide, welcome guide, and then this is the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Okay, and then what do we have again? We have the remote for the device. Okay, if you haven't liked, kindly use this opportunity to like the video for me and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform, and tell me any Oraimo product that you want me to unbox right here on this platform. Okay, so the moment you see this, it means that this is also covering the battery inside the remote, so you will need to take this out so that the remote can use the battery in the device. Then you just push. Okay, now we are ready to use the remote. Okay, so on the remote, we have the power on, the brightness, we have the menu, the timer, the models right here. So with the device, it comes with a clip, that's what I call it. Okay, that you are going to stick to your walls, and you will set it up with any location that you want. Okay, so yes, at the back of it is the clip right here, where you will just need to how do I say this, you will just need to take off, yes, let me say peel it off. Okay, so the moment you peel it off, and then you stick this to your wall, and then that's all. Okay, so let me look at the back very well. There is it, there is the back. So another one right here, so you put like two or three depending on how you want it, and then yes, I'll show you that one, but let's first get to the unboxing. Let's finish it there. After that, we will dive into it the more with putting it or setting up on your wall. Okay, so yes, right here at the top we have this. On the side of it, it is very tiny, and then the downside of it, and then this side, and at the back we have this. Okay, so now let's use the remote rather, since it comes with the remote. Let's turn it off and let's turn it on. Okay, so let me turn off my lights right here so that we can see only the light from the Oraimo smart tube. Okay, so use this opportunity to like the video and subscribe for more. Okay, so there's the first color right here, and this reduces the brightness, and then this will increase the brightness. Okay, so you may not see it in a way because it is not of one color, it is changing colors. Okay, so let me just use it this way. Let me do it this way. Then let's go to the color one. There's the color one. So with the first touch, that's this one, the first model, there's what we are getting. Let's go to the second model. So the second model is like, let me reduce the brightness right here so that you can see right here. Yes, let's start again with the model one. Okay, yes, the model one, and then the two right here, and then let's get to the model 3. Very cool, very cool. Then the model 4. Okay, the model 5, and then the final model 6. So as we tap on the timer and then it is flickering like this. Okay, there's a flicker, so you see that it will flicker. This just once. So when you tap on it and then it flickers 3 times, it has set to a timer of 1 hour. Okay, so it has automatic setup of 1 hour timer. So after 1 hour it will just shut down. So the moment you tap on the timer right here and then it flex just once, it means that you have exit the timer. You get it? So when you tap on it and then it flicks 1 2 3, it means that the flicker is indicating that the timer has been activated, and after 1 hour the device will turn off because of the timer. Okay, so that is all that we have right here except the menu. So the M will just give you a single color right here, and that's when the brightness comes in. Okay, so there is the brightness of the Oraimo smart tube. I think it's cool, but we will just take a look at it very well. Okay, but there's the brightness for it. That's the highest. I think that's the highest. And then let's get to the lowest. This is the lowest. Okay, so the highest is this, and then with the menu, with that one you can change it into a single color. So there's just a single color, another one right here, this and that. So these are the only two colors for the menu. Okay, so white and light yellow, that's the two colors. Okay, so now let's say you don't have the remote close to you. But with the buttons down here, it will turn on and then also increase the brightness as well. So as you can see right here, okay, then it will turn off. Okay, so it's the power on at the same time increasing the brightness as well. And then we have this for the, that's the model 1 to model 6. Okay, so as you tap on it, it will be changing to the models. So yes, so with the Oraimo Smart Tube, that's how it looks like, and there is it. Okay, so yes, make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Now let me just face it on the wall and then let's see how it is like. So you peel it off like this and then you stick it to the wall. You make sure it is at an angle that you like. Okay, and you hard press so that it will not fall when you stick it to the wall. Okay, so you do the same to the other one as well, and also you stick it to the wall. It is still sticky, but make sure you measure it at an angle that you want, and then let's stick it here. Okay, after that you will take your smart lamp, and because it is magnetic, the moment you just bring it close to it, it will attract one, it will try to attract, and that's it right here. Okay, so yes, we have applied it right here and it's very nice. Two things that I like about the device: one is the fact that it is able to do what it is supposed to do. I know you'll be like, nah, this is not something that I should be thinking of with the review. You see, there are some devices that although they say it is coming to solve a particular problem or coming to do a specific thing, but nah, it did not. So with this, it's able to do so. And one thing that I like is the idea that it is coming with a magnetic case, okay, or a cover at the back of it right here where you can face it to a wall or any metallic surface. So this side are full of magnet. Okay, so if you have a metal surface, you can easily face it just like this. Okay, you don't need any stand or something. All that you need to have is a metal plate or something like that sort. That's why their own device comes with I think four metal tape, okay, that you stick to your wall and then you just clip it to it. Okay, so I would say the device is good, although with the battery, with the time that this device will last, when I tested the device with just the brightness is of 5 times. Okay, so you can increase the brightness from 1 to 5, and when I set it to just one, okay, just brightness level 1, I almost have like 3 days, almost 3 days, just on 3 days, almost 3 days, okay, just on. But when I switch to like the 5, I get like close to 5 hours on. That's the brightest level of the device for that specific time. So assuming you have lower prices with the device, you're going to enjoy more hours as you know with the calculations. Okay, so with the lowest you get like 3 days, close to 3 days, and with the highest you get like 5 hours. That's my experience with the device. So it's good though, and as I said, yes, it does its work. But one thing that I suggest, so these are some of my suggestions, and this is what we'll be doing. We will talk about the device and also give out our suggestions. Maybe our suggestions will be what they will make or their next their target. Okay, if we use the device and then we give them feedback, so this is just like a feedback to them, but it is a suggestion because it may not be something that they will focus on. But so far as we have said and talked about this, maybe it will be ringing in their ears sometime. Okay, so yes, one thing that I would suggest is the length of the device. For me, it's too short. Okay, but I am hoping I'll get like 4 times or 5 times the length of this, and it will be very fine. Okay, because with this one, the brightness is cool though, but not too bright because of the size of it. You can't expect this to give you that high brightness, but it's okay for room. It's okay for video making and manageable as well. So I just love how it is the person that is giving, so far as it is of this small type. It's not too heavy. It is very cute, very nice. I like it though, but I suggest a longer one that will even give us more time with the brightness. The 5 hours more is okay, but we need more. So these are some of the suggestions that I'm making with the device. So Remo, I'll be waiting for a longer one with the device right here with the Oraimo smart lamp. So, and also I like the remote control. Maybe this may not be close to you, but since it comes with a remote, you can easily control it with it. And yes, it's good though. I like it, that one. Okay. And one thing as well that I would like to talk about is the charging time. It takes like 5 hours and it is fully charged. Fully charged. Okay, so 4 to 5 hours. Yes, we will get that fully charged device and ready to use. There's the review, and this is what I have to say about the device. If you have any suggestion as well, you can also put it in the comment section of description, and then I will see you in the next video. We have a lot of Oraimo products, so you can check our profile for more, and then I will see you later. Stay alive and bye for now.